The King's Birthday Honours List 2026 was published on 12 June 2026, with approximately 1,200 recipients from across the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth recognized for their contributions to public service, sport, the arts, science, and community development. Among those honored was Saint Lucian chef Orlando Satchell, who was acknowledged for his work in the culinary field and contribution to the island's cultural profile. Speaking following the announcement, Satchell expressed his excitement at being selected for inclusion on the list. He also extended gratitude for his supporters, describing the recognition as a significant honor.
First and foremost, I feel it quite honor to be recognized. I appreciate the acknowledgement from Saint Lucia, because ultimately it came from Saint Lucia to acknowledge my achievement. So I very honored, and I must say, after cooking for so many years, it is very humbling that people kind of see what I'm trying to do. I think as a chef, though, I like to remind chefs that it's not just about cooking; it's about what you do to your community and how you support your community. So I guess this is kind of a recognition for that. And so, yeah. And also it helps the mission as well. The mission, the best cuisine in the Caribbean should be Caribbean, and the best cuisine in Saint Lucia is to be Saint Lucian cuisine. So ultimately, any recognition that I get is also part of the elevation of Caribbean cuisine and Saint Lucian cuisine in Saint Lucia.
Orlando also reflects on the origins of his passion for cooking and the reasons that led him to enter the kitchen.
My mom, I'm Jamaican mother, Asian father, living in St. Lucia, born in England. And my love for cooking is my mom, really. Even though my mom was a good chef, she did cook at a necessity to feed us. But the way she took things from the cupboard and add flavors to food was very piqued my interest. So clearly, at least I want to honor my mom. She's still alive. She's alive and kicking. She's 87 this year. So definitely give a big shout out to my mom.
Chef Orlando noted that the opportunity was an exceptional one and expressed his pleasure at bringing St. Lucian cuisine to the United Kingdom. He added that he looked forward to continuing to share the island's culinary culture for many years to come. For 7TV News, Josiah Bicette reporting.